In this video, I'm going to talk about Network Summary LSA. So we have talked about router LSA and network LSA. So now we're just going to focus on Network Summary LSA. So as you can see here, Network Summary LSA is created by the ABRs to describe the list of networks that exist in other areas. So you just have to take note that when we say Network Summary LSA, it doesn't mean the summary of any networks, but it's actually a list of networks. So in other areas, meaning that for example, router 3, it belongs to area 1, right? Actually, when we verify the network summary LSAs in router 3, it's gonna see the network summary LSAs in area 0, not area 1. So that's why we say other areas, not in the area or within the area. So we can actually verify that. So we just have to let's go to R3 and do a show IP OSPF database. And of course, R3 just belongs to area 1. So here's our router link states. Of course, this router doesn't have any network LSAs because of this link here. It's just a point-to-point link, not a transit link like this link here. So here's our summary network LSA or summary net link states, and this is our summary ASPR link states, and this is our AS external link states. So like I said, we're just going to focus on summary network LSA. So let's go and check our description of network summary LSA. So created by the ABRs. So in this case, we only have one ABR, which is router 2 or R2, to describe the list of networks that exist in other areas. So here we're looking at router R3, so area 1. So we're not gonna see, like I said, network summary LSA in area 1, but we're gonna see the summary network LSAs, list of summary LSAs that belong to area 0. So here, so this network is the network between R1 and R2, and this network is the interface on R2 that belongs to area 0. I mean, look back interface of R2 that belongs to area 0. So that's how we can verify the summary network LSA on R3. So let's get to R1. So OSPF database. So here R1 only belongs to area 0. So we're gonna see networks or list of summary network LSA, list of summary network LSAs that belongs to area 1 in this case. So let's verify that. So here, this network here is the network between R2 and R3, and this network here is the network that is configured on R3 loopback interface. So if you want to dig deeper, you can do a show IP OSPF database summary. And of course, we only have one router, area, so area 0. And this is the network that belongs to area 1, like I said earlier. And this is the network that belongs to, that is configured on R3 loopback interface. And of course, they are being advertised by R2, and this is the IP address of R2 here, advertising router. So last is R2. R2 belongs to area 0 and area 1 because it is an ABR router. So R2 is gonna have is gonna have 2 lists of summary network LSAs, and when we look at area 0 and on R2, it's gonna have 2 summary network LSAs that belong to area 1. And if we look at area 1, it's going to have another 2 summary network LSAs that belong to area 0. So let's verify that. OSPF database. So here, area 0. So this is we're looking at area 0 here. This is the network between R2 and R3, as you can see here in the topology. And this is the IP address of R3 loopback interface. Let's look at area 1. So here we're going to see the summary network LSAs that are in area 0. So here, this is the network that between R1 and R2, and this is the network that is configured on R2 loopback interface. So yeah, that's how you can verify network summary LSAs on the routers in this topology. So in the next videos, I'm going to talk about ASPR summary and of course AS external LSAs. So yep, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.